Alright, so we're gonna put her on. Oh, hold up. This is about to change my life. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. Hey guys, it's Jasmine. HAIRVIVI Wigs are supposed to be slaying. I did not take this out the box, y'all. I didn't even take it out the ribbon, okay? We're gonna unbox it together and we're gonna see if this is completely the type of wig that you can take out the box and put it right on. So let's get into it. Alright, so I got my wig from HAIRVIVI, right? Okay, let's just take it right out the box. It's all wrapped up. I have not taken this out, y'all. Toni & Guy, definitely a fan of the brand. Toni & Guy hair clips with the comb as well. And then we got a wig cap, okay? So I'm actually gonna put on the wig cap right now. Let's look into this wig. Oh my God, I can feel, bitch. Y'all, look at this hairline. We gonna keep our composure here. We're just gonna, I'm ready, okay? And this lace is so thin. The melting on this is gonna be sick. So this is what the wig looks like. 20 inches in a natural color. This is a body wave, so you can see that. It comes with an elastic. Look at this. It comes with the elastic band already in here, so you don't have to do that. It also has a stupid big comb back here. I ain't never seen no comb this thick, okay? This is amazing. The knots is bleached, y'all. The hairline is plucked in. I got some baby hairs already on here. Like, sis, what is y'all trying to do to me here, VV? Like, what? Let's just put this bitch on. All right, so we're gonna put her on. Oh shit. Oh, hold up. This is about to change my life. Look at these little baby hairs they done created for y'all. Look at this. This is a lace front wig, not like a lot of parting space. As I'm parting through this, I do notice that it's a little orange. It looks natural, but when you get up close, you can definitely see the orange tints when the knots were bleached. Okay, HAIRVIVI. I've cut the lace and everything on this unit. The flaps come all the way past my ear. And I feel like the elastic band is allowing it to drag behind my ear. So without the elastic band, maybe, I mean, I would want my wig to sit here. You know, sit here and not back here. I just cut the elastic band so it can fit the way that I want it to. And this is what it's looking like. See, it's thick right here. This is too dense up here for me. Like, I have to go in. Please, just to thin it out. You know, now it looks a little better right there. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm on live right now on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchats, you name it. This is the finished look for this wig here by Vivi. I do want to say a few things in regards to this unit. They vouch for what they are trying to promote. This unit that you can put on and not have to do a lot of things to it. However, there's always a but. I did have to go in and pluck just a little, just right here. The wig is absolutely bomb. It is so easy to put on. Super good for beginner friendly. So if y'all don't know anything about wigs, I totally recommend trying the HAIRVIVI wigs out. However, for me, my wig did not fit me perfectly. So I did have to cut the elastic band back here. You know, my flaps are not here. Get in a little close, you guys see. It just will not come all the way down. Other than that, the hairline is impeccable. And it is plucked very well. Like, whoever's plucking these hairlines is doing a really, really good job. The wig gets a thumbs up for me. Work on the sizing, because for me, a medium just didn't fit. So maybe I should have gotten a larger cap, and that would have helped with my flaps not being pulled back so far. So that is pretty much it for HAIRVIVI. Make sure you check out the description box below if you guys are interested in this unit. There are a lot of other videos here on YouTube if you guys want to see everybody else's opinions or other reviews, first impressions or unboxings. There are a lot of videos here on YouTube if you guys want to check that out. I also have a coupon code for you guys. I will list below so that y'all can get some money off if you decide to purchase this unit. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Leave your questions below, and yeah, see you soon.